default is off. Yeah, I'll press back. Whoops. And then you've got a basic color picker. I'll get off it. Yeah. Back. Forgot failure. Yeah, it's curious. I did this before. Don't know why. Seems to string a couple of packets together. Oh yeah, let's go back. Color picker. Color packet it likes. But it doesn't. But strangely, about a minute or two later it did, so I don't know what the difference is. I mean, you can theoretically send it things, and that will clear the packet thing out, so then the buttons will work. No, they don't even work still. Why is it sending two? Let me use the mouse instead. But now touch will work as well. No, it doesn't. Maybe I've still got my click handlers broken. Yeah, it's pretty cool. The idea is to have all the accelerometer data streaming from your mobile phone, because you can run code.whatever on your mobile phone. Standard string sending stuff. The IOpin page I've just seen, but I can't actually open it properly. Neopixels, you meant to have some kind of template.